In today's video, I'll show you how to connect ActiveCampaign with ClickFunnels so you can send leads from your funnels directly into ActiveCampaign and use them in your marketing automations. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Apps. ActiveCampaign provides an Apps and Integrations section where you can search for supported applications, including ClickFunnels. Now search for ClickFunnels and select the integration. Depending on the integration setup you're using, ActiveCampaign may ask you to connect your ClickFunnels account or provide the required connection details. If you need your ActiveCampaign API credentials, open Settings, then select Developer. Here you'll find your API URL and API key. Keep these credentials private because they provide access to your ActiveCampaign account. Next, open your ClickFunnels account. For ClickFunnels Classic, go to Account Settings, select Integrations, and click Add New Integration. Search for ActiveCampaign, select it, and give the integration a recognizable name. Enter your ActiveCampaign API key and API URL, then click Add Integration. ClickFunnels' current documentation confirms that these are the credentials used for this connection. Once the integration is connected, configure your ClickFunnels pages or products to send contact information to ActiveCampaign. Now it's time to test the connection. Open your ClickFunnels opt-in page and submit a test contact using an email address you can access. Then return to ActiveCampaign and open Contacts. Search for the test email address and confirm that the contact was added successfully. If the contact doesn't appear, check your API credentials, integration connection, and ClickFunnels configuration. Once everything is working correctly, your ClickFunnels leads can flow into ActiveCampaign, where you can use them for segmentation, follow-up emails, and automated marketing workflows. And that's how you integrate ActiveCampaign with ClickFunnels. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.